All right, so this time I'm going to show you a different method of graphing. This is graphing using the slope and the y-intercept. A lot of people like this method because it's faster, but this only works for lines and they have to be in slope-intercept form. You'll recall slope-intercept form looks like this. So y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. I will write that down for you. This is slope, and this is the y-intercept. So in order to use this method, you need to know both of those things. All right, so first thing you have to do in an equation if you're using this is identify the slope and the y-intercept, and it has to look like this. Then you start your graph at the y-intercept and use the slope to find more points on the line. Then, of course, you just connect all those points to form a line. All right, so in this one, let's identify them. The slope would be m is -1/2. And the y-intercept, the b, is 2. So when I go to graph this, I'm going to start at the y-intercept, which is 2. So the y-intercept is always on the y-axis. Okay, that's how you can recognize it. The slope, remember slope is rise over run? This is telling me it's going down 1 and to the right 2. So I'm going to count that on here. I'm going to go down 1, to the right 1, 2. Down 1, to the right 1, 2. Down 1, to the right 1, 2. And there's my points. Now I'm going to connect them with a line to get the same color. There's my line. And I'm going to put some arrows on the end. There it is. See, so this involved a lot less writing than the table problems, right? Like up here, we made the table that we had a whole big thing to do. But you didn't have to identify anything. So there's that. Okay, let's try. You guys try. You got this. So I would recommend the using this type of one, the one where we use y equals mx plus b. It's especially good for fractions. It makes it easy because you're just counting. So for instance, this one slope would be up 4 to the right 3. Okay? All right, good luck.